In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a shape the default shape in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to streamline your workflow, setting a default shape can save you time and ensure consistency in your visualizations. Let's dive right in. The first step is to navigate to Tableau.com. This is where you can access all the resources, updates, and features Tableau has to offer. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to make sure you're working with the latest version of Tableau, as updates can sometimes change the interface slightly or introduce new features. With that in mind, let's move on to the next step. Now that you're on the home page, take a look at the Recent section. This is a convenient area where Tableau lists your most recently accessed projects, so you can quickly jump back into your work. Find the project you're working on or want to edit and click on it. This will open up your project ready for you to make any necessary adjustments or enhancements. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the Marks card. The Marks card is a versatile tool in Tableau that allows you to customize the appearance of your data. It's located on the left-hand side of your screen and is vital for changing how your data is visually represented. By using the Marks card, you can modify attributes such as color, size, label, and shape. Here comes the important part, selecting a shape. Within the Marks card, there's an option to choose shape from the drop-down menu. This feature is especially useful when you want to differentiate data points more vividly, using different shapes to represent various categories or segments. Click on the shape option and a new menu will appear, offering a variety of shapes you can use. Once you've chosen a shape that suits your needs, you might want to set this as your default, so it automatically applies whenever you're working with similar data sets. Unfortunately, Tableau doesn't provide a straightforward way to set a default shape directly through the interface. However, you can save your workbook with the selected shape as a template, which can then be used as a starting point for future projects. This method ensures that your preferred shape is just a few clicks away every time you start a new project. To wrap things up, setting a shape as your default in Tableau involves navigating your project through Tableau.com, accessing it through the Recent section, utilizing the Marks card, and selecting your desired shape. While there's no direct way to designate it as a default permanently, using templates can effectively achieve the same result, enhancing both consistency and efficiency in your work. Thank you for watching this guide on making shapes default in Tableau. Remember, the key to mastering Tableau is experimenting with its many features and finding what works best for your data and storytelling needs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks. Happy visualizing!